Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Nazri bin Muhammad Kamaruzzaman, final year project 2 student under the supervision of Dr. Madihah binti Abdul Aziz. Today, I will present my final year project, which is IIUM Cafeteria System, and show you how the system works. But first, let's go through my poster. The title of my project is IIUM Cafeteria System. It is a web-based platform that was built to help IIUM community, especially students, to view and order food online. The problem statement of this project is there is no proper platform for students and staff to view the information of a cafeteria in IIUM. In addition, there is also no platform for students and staff to order food online. The objective of this project are to expose the information of cafeteria in IIUM and to assist IIUM community in ordering and buying food online. The literature review used for this project are Dah Makan website, Grab Food website, and Foodpanda website. Next is the methodology. The methodology used in this project are system development life cycle, waterfall model, interview, and survey. In this use case, we can see the interaction and relationship between user, which is staff, and student, cafeteria admin or staff, and the administrator who manage all. The user need to register first, then log in to access the homepage. Then they can view or update the profile in profile page. The user can order food through the system, then review the order. After the user place the order, the administrator and cafeteria staff will view and confirm the order. The user will receive confirmation message about the order and delivery details through the email. Then they must wait at the designated location to receive and make payment of the order. The tool used for this project are Visual Studio Code as a source code editor for PHP, HTML, SQL, and CSS. XAMPP, a cross-platform web server for connecting Visual Studio Code and PHP MyAdmin, and Adobe Illustrator for editing pictures. And here you can see the user interface. After that, the conclusion. The conclusion of this project is IIUM Cafeteria will save a lot of time of the students and staff by viewing and ordering food online. Some of the future enhancements for this project are build another module for admins of each cafeteria, send order details or confirmation email automatically to the user who has made an order, design the admin and user interface to be more attractive and more user-friendly, and display more information about cafeteria in IIUM. Now I'm gonna show you how IIUM Cafeteria System works. First, new user must sign up or register before login. They need to put their name or username, email, phone number, address, password, and repeat password. The username and email must not be same with other users. So if the username or email is same with other users, error message will be shown to the users. So for username, I will use Zamani @gmail.com. One, two, three, four, five, and click sign up. If this successfully sign up, the message will be shown up here. So after the user sign up, they must log in with their username and password. The username is Zamani and the password is 12345, and click login. They will be shown the homepage. So in the homepage, user can see featured cafeteria, featured categories, and featured food. If the user click the featured cafeteria, they will be directed to cafeteria page and will be shown all the cafeteria. If the user click the featured categories, the user will be directed to categories page and will be shown all the categories. Next, if the user click the featured food, they will be directed to food page and will be shown all the food in the system. So if user want to find their food, they can just place what they want here. For example, burger, and click search. They will find the search here. And if the user want to search other food, they just need to put here, let's say drinks, and search, and it will show all the drinks. So in the featured categories, in the featured cafeterias, users can click the cafeterias and they can choose which cafeterias they want to order food from. For example, I will choose Salahuddin, and if user click the Salahuddin, all the food in Salahuddin cafeteria will be shown in here. If the user click, for example, Nusaibah, and all the food from Nusaibah cafeterias will be shown here. And user can also click order, and the message of food added, check your cart will be shown. And if user go to cart, they can see their order in the cart. This is also same for categories part. If the user click categories and choose which categories they want, for example drinks, and all drinks will be shown in the categories. And if user click for example teh tarik, and teh tarik will be added in the carts. Teh tarik. In the food cart, user can also add food into carts. Let's see nasi ayam. Add to carts. Nasi ayam. So for the profile page, if the user want to update their profile, they can go to the profile page and see the details of their profile, and click update profile if they want to change their username or email, or click change password if they want to change their password. The user need to go to the cards to see the order details, and see the subtotal. The subtotal of nasi lemak is 4 ringgit and delivery is 2 ringgit, and check out. In the checkout page, the user must fill in their recipient name. For example, here they want to give the food to me, and I will put my name here. Let's see, email, phone numbers, and address, my address. So here, the user who ordered the food will see the food details, recipient details, and the total price of the order. And then the user must click confirm order. After the user confirm the order, they will need to wait for email for the confirmation that will send to him. And for the admin page, I have assigned Nazwi as the admin. In the admin page, you can see dashboard, manage admin, manage user, manage cafeteria, manage category, manage food, and manage order. So in the user page, admin can see the user that have been signed up with the system. Admin also can delete the users. In cafeteria page, admin can add cafeterias or update the cafeterias and delete the cafeteria. So if admin want to add cafeterias, they just need to click the add cafeterias. choose file, and put the image cafeteria of the class. The cafeteria, the class is Mahala, and the cafeteria grade, it is for the cleanliness. We put A here, and featured or active. If the admin click featured, it will be shown in the home page. If no, it will not be shown in the home page. For the active, if the admin click yes, it will be shown in the cafeteria page. If no, it will not be shown in cafeteria's page. So I will put no here and active yes at cafeterias. So for the categories, it also same as the cafeteria. Admin can see all the food that has been added in the system. So if admin want to add another food, just click edit food and edit some food here, or update the food. Like here, update, we put the price of nasi lemak is RM5 and update food update successfully. And for the order page, we can see all the order that has been made by the users. So if the admin click confirm message, the email should be sent to the users who has ordered the items. That's all for IIUM Cafeteria System. Thank you for listening.